Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode. And down here under online store, I'm going to check my theme real quick. I am using Dawn, so I'm going to go down to navigation. And then under menus, I'm going to click main menu. And then here, I'm going to click add new menu item. So I want this drop-down menu to be associated with tank tops. So I'm going to just put tank tops and then I can link one of my products. So I'll hit collections and then I'll go down to my collection named tank top. All right, and then I'm going to drag that up under the home tab. And then I'm going to go ahead and click add another item. And then here, I'm going to get a little more specific. So I'm going to put colorful tank tops. Then under collections, I already have one labeled colorful tank tops, so it will link there. And then click add. Now I'm going to move that up under tank tops, but I'm going to shift it to the right. So now when I have that drop-down menu on my website, it's going to show colorful tank tops under the tank top drop-down menu. I'm going to hit save. Alright, so now I want to check my work. I'm going to go over to online store, hit that eye icon. See, I don't have a drop-down menu here yet. And even if I hit refresh, it doesn't quite work yet. So I'm going to exit out. Refresh my original Shopify page. Then I'll open up my online store again. And here you can see I now have the drop-down menu labeled tank tops and underneath colorful tank tops. So if you find yourself in need of having to create a drop-down menu for your Shopify store, this is how you do it.